We'll guide you through how to make a sliding door in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many beginners want to learn how to model and animate simple objects like doors in Blender, but find the interface confusing. First, click Blender on your desktop to open the program. Once it loads, delete everything in the scene by pressing the X key on your keyboard and confirming the deletion. After that, press numpad 1 to switch to the front view for easier alignment. Then press Shift and A to add a plane and image reference into the scene and make sure the plane align is on view. After adding the plane, press Tab to enter edit mode so you can begin shaping it. Position all the vertices to match the shape of a door by selecting and moving them carefully. Then, you can cut the mesh to create more detail by pressing Ctrl Enter to add loop cuts. Next, press number 3 to switch to face selection mode and select all the faces that form the detailed sections. Extrude them outwards to give depth to the design. After that, to make another detail, you can simply add another mesh such as a plane or cube and place it where needed. Adjust these new objects first before moving forward so everything aligns properly. Once everything is positioned correctly, start modeling the details carefully until the shape looks complete. After you finish modeling it, select the door parts and press on the edit mode and duplicate them by pressing Shift and D. Then position the duplicate not too far from the original. Rotate it by pressing R, then Z, and typing 180 to mirror it. Then press number 2 to switch to edge selection mode and select the outer edges on both models. Left-click and press on bridge edge loops to connect them. After that, press Tab to return to object mode and select the model. Press Shift and D again to duplicate it and place it next to the other model, then slightly move it backward. After that, choose which door you want to animate and press K to add a keyframe, selecting location, rotation, and scale. Press Shift and spacebar to move to another frame and stop it again the same way. Move to the other door and repeat the keyframe steps. Finally, review the animation by pressing Shift and spacebar to play it.